To continue our lesson about adjectives, we need to know how to differentiate between an adjective and a noun, especially if the same word is used sometimes as an adjective and sometimes as a noun. We know that an adjective is a word describing the noun or the pronoun. It gives us details about the noun or the pronoun. And the noun is a word that gives the name or it names a person or a place or a thing. So how do we know if a word in this sentence is used as an adjective or it is used as a noun? So the first thing we need to know that the word's part of speech depends on how it is used. So if it is used as a name of something, do I consider it a noun or an adjective? And if it is used to describe something, do I consider it a noun or an adjective? So we will go together to the first example. He wants to play football every day. So here, the word football, is it an adjective or a noun? So I will ask myself, is the word football here describing another word in the sentence or it is the name of something? So I will read the sentence again. He wants to play football every day. So football here in this sentence isn't describing any other word. Football here is the name of the sport that he's going to play. So football here is a word used as a noun. It is giving for me the name of the sport that he is going to play. So do you think that football can be used as an adjective in another sentence? Let's go to sentence number 2 and we will figure out if yes, it can be used as an adjective or no, it's only a noun. In the second example, I have the following sentence. I will be waiting for you beside the football stadium. So, I look to the word football here. I will be waiting for you beside the football stadium. The word football here is describing which stadium I will be waiting for you beside. So football here is describing the word stadium. I will be waiting for you beside the stadium. What kind of stadium I will be waiting for you beside? The answer is the football stadium. So here football is an adjective describing the word stadium. So the same word can be used as an adjective and can be used as a noun, but this depends on how it is used. So again, if it is used to name something, it is a noun. And if it's used to describe something, it is an adjective. It, if the word gives a detail about another word and defining and describing another word, this means that it is an adjective. And if it is used as the main word naming something, so it is a noun.